Day 9 was really an incredible day. After waking up at about 2 AM to check to see if there was any opportunity to start photography, I felt a bit disappointed to see that it was still cloudy. However, according to the weather forecast, we did have a good chance of seeing the skies and the potential for perfect sunsets. At 5 AM I started to pack up my things and get ready for what I hoped would be a great day, and sure enough, it did not disappoint. After taking some photos of the lookout with the many other people, I decided to head back towards the dinosaur spine, see if I can get closer to the clouds and get some good drone shots. The morning could not have been any more of a success. It really made the whole trip worthwhile, as this was something I had set out to see from the beginning. Time now to head back towards the hotel for breakfast, to check out, and then continue the journey northwards towards SAPA. Today's ride looks pretty remote on Google Maps, so I made sure that I downloaded the offline version and I have a full tank of fuel ready to go.
got for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it.
After the incredible journey in the remotest part so far, it was a pleasure to see so many amazing local people who were always happy to smile and wave. The winding roads at some point felt like they literally went vertically up and then down, and I was happy to reach some civilization by the end of it. Up until now, the Honda CBX 150 has been the perfect ride and handled everything that's come its way, but you just can't help having that nagging feeling in the back of your mind, what if?